Morning. Bit excited this morning. Packing snacks, packing water, because we're heading to the Outdoor Adventure and Travel Show in Vancouver. So I'm very excited about that. And we're going to take you with us.
We got a map.
Got a map. Yep.
You like Dora the Explorer now, right?
Where do we start?
More information about neighborhoods and transportation and stuff. So we'll work out great.
And if you want to go out of the city for recreation, Tualatin Valley. We have great cycling. We have great nature.
You had him at cycling, I think.
Back there's a QR code that takes you to our cycling place. So we have digital maps.
I'm going to issue you a challenge to find me a bag for all the leaflets that we keep collecting.
Challenge accepted.
So you got your bag. Achievement unlocked. So now you need a new challenge.
What's the next challenge? Stickers. I want more stickers.
Okay, stickers.
Stickers and swag.
Trying to guess the penguins in the box, right? What did we say?
421.
What? It's bigger than my guess of 182. Okay, sure, let's move on.
Look out, we got an electrically powered boat.
G'day guys, how we doing?
It's really cool.
What's cool?
Electric powered boat.
Yes, so it's the greenest, this one here, the Fridge off Nancy, got
Yeah.
voted the greenest ship in the world in 2021. It's hybrid electric, so you can actually shut the engines down and run solely on battery power for about 40 minutes. But the main thing that they use battery is that when the ship needs a huge uptake of power, rather than the engines revving higher, it grabs that extra power from the batteries. So that means the engines run at peak performance all year round, rather than burning extra fuel that they don't need to. That's really cool. Designed and built by Rolls-Royce, so the thing is like a bullet through the water, which means that it doesn't use as much drag, which means it doesn't use as much energy. As well as it has hydrodynamic propellers. I'm a bit of a geek on this stuff. Hydrodynamic propeller, which means it doesn't create as much energy and it doesn't need as much energy to move, but it doesn't create as much noise, which is important when we're in places like Antarctica where there's whales everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I was just down in Antarctica last month and we didn't anchor once. We used dynamic positioning, which basically they pull the ship up, push a button, and the ship just stays where it is.
So there's no thrusters on the one side?
No anchor, which means we're not damaging the environment.
That was very cool, wasn't
I
it?
want to go on one of those.
Yeah. So just explain briefly, like, what these cruises do.
It's almost like an environmental cruise.
Yeah, and you get to do beach cleanups,
Yeah.
but in a fun way. And
You have science labs on board so you can help out.
instead of casinos and things like that. That is very cool, dude. We've been here for an hour and we've done 2 aisles. Out of how many? We're going to be here all day. This is sweet. Chill about everyone. Oh, 2 more stickers. And we were very lucky. We actually managed to win passes to this show, along with thanks to these guys, Manning Park.
The money, you know, you gotta show me the money. I wish I should have put that in there as like an Easter egg. Yeah. Alright, so it'll change with, we could do like 1,000 different examples, but we just use these because we know there's going to be 8 to 10,000 people come through. So, but yeah, we're going to do this like interactive night experience through the park. Yeah, it's going to be free.
That's
Yeah.
cool. What did you ask for this time?
Show me trees.
Oh,
Try the fire. I like the fire.
is it making you want to go camping again?
Yeah. I also want one of those bike racks as well. Well, it's got the easy kayak mount.
Here, so
Ooh. Oh yeah. See, shorties like me need this.
See, it's got the kayak on the side.
Yeah, for short people like me.
And the irony of that is that the only people that really actually made money were the people that helped all the stampeders get to Dawson City.
Sorry, I didn't press the red button. This is more your kind of lake ride, isn't it?
Orange and militarized. I could bet too.
There's the secret sauce. First purchase of the show. No, second purchase of the show. Some dry bags for kayaking. Am I right? Keep our sandwiches from getting soggy. And more valuable stuff. So apparently, converting irregular cars into camper vans is now a thing. I love that. That is so cool. is this a perspective after the end of the
perspective.
show? Retrospect.
Retrospect. Do 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 do.
Anyway, we'll have to do a swag.
We will have to do it well. It's not really, well, we did get some swag. We got a little bit of swag.
We're going to have to do a swag off when we get back.
Oh, who got the most?
I don't know, because we were just chucking them in bags left, right and centre. But that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that show. I mean, it was really busy. I think we're now in this post-COVID world where everyone's going to these big events now. And I swear they're busier now than they were pre-COVID. But maybe
we just forgot what it
we
was like.
forgot what it's like to go to trade shows. It's like there's people everywhere.
Yeah.
But it was a lot of fun. It's a really, really good show. Really well organised.
I did feel a little bit standing out though. Because I've got my nice, my winter jacket on. But I wasn't wearing any Patagonia or Arc'teryx. I felt a little bit left out.
You went on a sticker mission.
Sticker hunt. And I found a sticker that has a Toyota Tacoma on it. So that's going on my laptop. I'm so happy about that.
It made his day. But I still think I win the freebie. I win the swag contest.
Yeah, you win the swag contest. So Mouse won not only the stuff that she picked up, but the reason we're here today is because Mouse actually managed to win 2 free tickets to this event to get us in.
And
plus... Yeah.
And thanks to the amazing folks at Manning Park Resort, we got 2 trail passes for the Nordic Trail Centre, which I'm really excited. So yeah, I won those, and bless them, they gave me a T-shirt. They gave me a T-shirt and a lanyard. So I really love the guys.
They all decked out as Manning Park.
I know.
Official.
And the Manning Park folks were so lovely at their booth.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited to try.
And there was actually one of them was from just next to my hometown.
Yeah.
I mean,
from Birmingham.
It's like we moved 5,000 miles.
I know. Yeah.
And we met her, and then there's somebody else.
Somebody from Gloucester.
From Gloucester.
So yeah, but yeah, so I'm really super excited now to go to Manning Park Resort, to the Nordic Centre, and try out cross-country skiing. Never done it before.
Yeah. We asked her, do you recommend skiing or snowshoeing? And she said, I'd choose skiing if it's a free pass and get your money's worth. And I'm like, well, that's a good point.
So yeah, thank you Manning, and thank you to the Outdoor Adventure Travel Show.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to head out now. We're going to head back down the highway. We're going to stop in at IKEA and get some meatballs. We're going to live it up. I'm going to take you out for a meal. Meatballs and mashed potato. Bit of cranberry sauce on the side.
You old romantic.
Maybe look at a few self-assembly cabinets.
You know how to show all the girls good time.
What do you mean all the girls? Jeez. Okay.
I got a free t-shirt. Ooh, ooh.
All right. You want some meatballs?
You're such a child.